Alright, Pete Gustis here for 419 Old Airport Road. This is a 1,800 square foot split level design, 4 bedrooms, 1.5 bath, gas, central air. It's on Old Airport Road. The home seems like it's in pretty good shape. The owner is in process of getting some stuff moved out, so realize that stuff doesn't come with the home. Small little things like this, I'll try to point out what I can. The owner isn't feeling well and is home. I'm going to try to avoid that interfering with them. Got a nice vinyl privacy fence. Check out the other side here, possible. Whoops. Just needs a little cleaning. That's just algae. Looks like the brickwork is in pretty decent shape. Wondering if that was a garage at one time. You can see how it's encased. Looks like the cracks need to be resealed. Not a big deal, but it does show some signs that it is settled. It happens. Doesn't look too bad though. Okay. Vinyl siding so far looks like it's in pretty good shape. It's like a little piece of probably caulking right there. Not that big of a deal. And looks like a little fenced-in area. So the pool probably has to be cleaned up a little bit. The owner has not been feeling well, and that's why this is looking how it looks. Looks like you have some stored here for sheds. A little bit of wood rot, that kind of stuff happens. Needs to be checked out and cleaned up. Probably going to go on the deck in a moment. Oh. Concrete floor for the shed. Don't see any signs of, excuse me, roof leaking on this side. Concrete also. Floor is a little bit wet on here, and you can see some water infiltration possibly in the back. I'm going to try to go back there and look to see what we got. Roof looks fine here too. Nice little workshop. Okay. So this looks like it is a pen for some type of animals. Not sure if I can go in there. It is open, so let's try. It's like birds or something. I'm going to try to go to the back of this. Check out the deck. So looks like a Trex deck. Probably just use a little cleanup. Architectural shingles look okay. Should clean up some of those vines. I do see some buckling on the roof here, so it could be signs that this is near the end of its life or improper installation. Pool, of course. So most townships you can't put a fence right on the line, so you can see that it's not, and it does get wet back here. And I'm not sure how we can see back there. Did the best I can. hopefully we'll look at that later. Oh, they do have a grill. Let me get a view of this. It's kind of nice. So you got your grill, elevated deck, I guess, to just relax. Central air system looks fairly like it's in nice shape. Window here does have some fogging. Usually that could be fixed. That one upstairs looks like it has some fogging. Okay. I got that. I'm going in.
How are you doing?
Good, good, good. Real estate agent. I'm just going in.
All right, there you go.
How's it going? Yeah. Okay. So this is the front entrance. And tile floors. Tile floors look pretty nice. And you have a closet to the side, coat closet. When it opens up to another room down here. Like wood lap. It's pretty nice design there. You got your bay window and your view to the front. The ceiling looks like it was custom painted. Looks like a nice design, I guess.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
I can do that.
Yep. He was there anyways. As I was walking in. Okay. And nice kitchen. So we have a breakfast bar. Barn style door here into the pantry. Nice large pantry. And decorative tile here too. Looks like granite or marble countertops. Built-in TV. This walks out to the backyard. So you got a gas stove, tiled backsplash, your microwave, large dual-sided sink. Dishwasher, of course. Powder room. Got a doggy door. Okay. Okay, it is a block foundation. They do have a water treatment system. Okay, gas burner. Looks like it's in fairly good shape. Okay, so nice design here. They have some nice crown molding and everything. Skylights look like they're in great shape. And this looks like a nice bonus room. Could be a bedroom used as storage. You'll notice the ceiling, it's wood panel, so it's a nice design. And this overlooks the garage where you can see the driveway. Okay. And looks like we got some nice flooring here. LPV or laminate. Looks like it may be laminate. Tile floor in the bathroom. So, dual sinks. Cupboard space. Next. Laminate flooring also. Got some closets, which are on both sides. Third bedroom. Got a closet here too. And we got an upstairs area. Let's check that out quick. Oh, excuse me, storage closet. Okay, so that's the tour. I guess give me a call, Jim. You got my number if you're interested in Airport Road or if you have other questions. All right, talk to you soon.